Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Modere laundry detergent is probably one of the most talked about and sought after cleaning solutions on the market right now, and for good reason. If you're tired of ineffective detergents that leave your clothes looking dull and smelling less than fresh, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into what makes this particular laundry detergent stand out from the crowd, exploring its unique formula, its effectiveness on various fabrics and stains, and whether it truly lives up to the hype as a game changer for your laundry routine. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Tired of messy liquid detergents and bulky pods? Discover a revolutionary way to do laundry with Earth Breeze. These innovative sheets dissolve completely in any wash cycle, hot or cold. They powerfully tackle tough stains and odors, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. Our liquidless formula is kind to the planet, reducing plastic waste. Each pack contains 60 loads, making it an eco-conscious choice for your home. Formulated to be gentle on sensitive skin, you can enjoy a powerful clean without irritation. Experience the difference of a detergent that cares. Lightweight and compact, these sheets are ideal for travel. No spills, no mess, just perfectly clean clothes wherever you go. Enjoy the convenience and effectiveness of Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets. Get your 30-count pack today and simplify your laundry routine. What we like? If you're looking for a truly eco-conscious laundry solution, these sheets are a game changer. They eliminate plastic jugs and are incredibly easy to pack. If you value sustainability and convenience, especially for travel or small spaces, this is the detergent for you. What people say. This is a great detergent that cleans clothes well. It has a nice scent and leaves clothes smelling fresh. The detergent is gentle on fabrics and does not cause fading. Number 4. Activewear Laundry Detergent and Soak. Introducing our specialized laundry detergent, designed to tackle the toughest workout sweat. Keep your activewear fresh and clean, load after load. Harness the power of natural enzymes to boost performance and eliminate odors. This concentrate works hard so your gear can too. Say goodbye to lingering gym smells. Our formula acts as a powerful deodorizer, revitalizing your apparel with every wash. Specially formulated for your gym apparel, this powder wash provides a deep clean. Its concentrated nature means 90 loads of freshness. Ensure your workout clothes always feel and smell their best. This detergent is your secret weapon for maintaining peak performance gear. Experience the difference with a detergent made for your active lifestyle. It's the perfect solution for all your performance fabrics. What we like? For all the fitness enthusiasts out there, this is your go-to detergent. It's specifically designed to tackle the tough odors and stains from sweat and workout gear. If you're tired of gym clothes still smelling after a wash, you need to try this. What people say. This detergent is very effective at removing stains. It leaves clothes smelling fresh and clean. The detergent is gentle on fabrics and does not cause fading. Number 3. Attitude Liquid Laundry Detergent, Mountain Fresh. Experience a new standard in clean. This detergent is EWG verified, meaning it's made with only the best ingredients, free from harsh chemicals. Harnessing the power of 98% naturally derived ingredients, it effectively tackles stains, odors, and grease. It's designed for both HE and conventional machines, providing 40 loads of exceptional cleaning. Enjoy the refreshing Mountain Fresh fragrance, a delightful blend of floral and sweet notes. It leaves your laundry smelling wonderfully fresh and comforting. This versatile detergent is safe for all your fabrics, including whites and colors, in any water temperature. It cleans everything from clothes to linens without causing discoloration. Feel good about your choice. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free, formulated for your well-being and with respect for animals. What we like? If you prioritize clean ingredients and a naturally derived formula, this is an excellent choice. It's EWG verified, meaning it meets high safety standards. If you enjoy a subtle, fresh scent and want a detergent that's gentle yet effective, consider this for your family. What people say. The bottle doesn't leak, the bottle lasts a long time, really cleans well, keeps colors lasting longer. Attitude Living completely surprised me in the best way. The scent is absolutely beautiful, light, clean, and fresh without being overwhelming. It smells natural, not synthetic, and doesn't trigger my sensitivities at all. What I love even more is knowing the ingredients are non-toxic and thoughtfully sourced. My go-to laundry detergent that is EWG verified. Cleans well and I like that it is unscented, great for sensitive noses. Nice pour spout to prevent spills. Number 2. Attitude Liquid Laundry Detergent. Experience a new standard in clean. Our laundry detergent is EWG verified, meaning it's made with ingredients you can trust, meeting the highest standards for safety and transparency. Harness the power of nature for a superior clean. This formula, made with 98% naturally derived ingredients, effectively tackles stains, odors, and grease, leaving your clothes refreshed. Enjoy the comfort of clean clothes without irritation. Our unscented formula is perfect for sensitive skin, maintaining fabric softness while delivering a thorough clean. Wash with confidence in any water temperature. It's safe for all your whites and colors, ensuring your favorite garments stay vibrant and look their best. Feel good about your laundry choices. This detergent is 100% vegan and cruelty-free, offering a clean that's kind to your well-being and respectful of animals. Get more washes from every bottle. It's designed for both conventional and e-machines, providing 40 loads of powerful cleaning for your household needs. What we like. For those with sensitive skin or a strong aversion to fragrances, this unscented option is perfect. It's EWG verified and made with plant-based ingredients, ensuring a gentle clean. If you need a reliable, fragrance-free detergent that still performs, this is the one to pick. What people say. Keeps colors lasting longer. The scent is absolutely beautiful, light, clean, and fresh without being overwhelming. It smells natural, not synthetic, and doesn't trigger my sensitivities at all. Nice pour spout to prevent spills. Number 1. Juniper Sandalwood Ultra Concentrated Liquid Laundry Detergent. Introducing our Ultra Concentrated Liquid Laundry Detergent. It delivers powerful cleaning while using 90% less plastic for a more sustainable choice. Enjoy the long-lasting, refreshing scent of Juniper Sandalwood with every wash. It leaves your clothes smelling amazing. Don't let stains and odors win. This detergent is formulated to defeat even the toughest messes, keeping your laundry fresh. We've excluded harsh chemicals from our formula. You can trust it to be gentle on your fabrics and safe for your family. Make a difference with 90% less plastic packaging. Plus, this concentrated formula provides an incredible 192 loads of cleaning power. It's designed to work perfectly in both high-efficiency, key, and standard washing machines. Get a great clean no matter your machine. What we like. If you want a powerful clean with a focus on reducing plastic waste, this ultra-concentrated detergent is ideal. It offers a significant number of loads in a compact format, minimizing environmental impact. If you appreciate a long-lasting, pleasant scent and a high-performance wash without harsh chemicals, this is a great option. What people say. For such a small amount of detergent, my clothes came out clean and pleasantly scented. The laundry detergent is highly concentrated, so a little goes a long way. The smell carried on throughout the entire cycle and drying process. My towels smelled so good and they continue to smell good folded in the linen closet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.